Onboarding, initiation, orientation, whatever you want to call it, it's the act of jumpstarting the success of an employee. Getting this right makes a huge difference in their success, which in turn is essential for your company. We're giving you the resources to take your onboarding program from miserable to magical. Studies by Bamboo HR show that over 90% of employees feel a strong sense of connection to their organization after a positive onboarding experience. On the flip side, about a quarter of employees who leave their job after only 6 months report that more effective training would have convinced them to stay. It can take someone up to 2 years to be fully productive in a new role. You can help them by showing your commitment to setting and reaching goals together. Enable Education is passionate about helping others succeed. We've designed a step-by-step package to help your HR team, managers, and new hires. Use our guides to establish goals, expectations, and of course, welcome them to your great culture. As an employer, you want your new hires to be productive as soon as possible. So, let's get started and turn your onboarding experience into something meaningful. Watch our onboarding video series for more insights and download our free resources as you go.